I'm going to show you how to make a blonde moment. First, you're going to take your ice, pour it in your glass. You need to do an ounce of rum. It calls for Bacardi Limon, but if you don't have limon, you can use citron or lemon juice to spice it up a little bit. Pour a dash of that in. Then you're going to take half an ounce of blue Curaçao. Pour that in like so. Next, you're going to take a splash of grenadine, just a touch to make it pretty. And then you're going to add some sweet and sour mix. Pour that in. It's about 1.5 ounces of that. And then next, you're going to do just a splash of soda water. Just like so. Then you're going to take it, put it in your tin. You're going to give it a really good shake. You want it nice and cold. Take it. And then you're going to put it in a Collins glass. Pour it right there. Add your stir. And enjoy.